Oh. No head contact. Just for the people watching. The headgear just in case, you know? Boy. Nice.
Hey guys, let's go. Get with your partners. Guys, you can also use that.
Nice. Think speed, bitch. The more you throw, the more you get. Double it up. Nice. Add the cross. Boy, nice, nice. You could throw a side kick there, Eric.
Sorry, Eric.
Eric, you know the side kick?
Side kick?
Yeah, from the front.
Okay.
Because he's trying to kick your lead leg. He's trying to kick your left leg, so you kick him with it.
Okay.
Like you're rich, you go throw the round kick, right? You throw the right leg, or that one, that's fine too. Yeah, side kick stops that. There you go. It's like a front kick, except you flip sideways. Mm-hmm. Way. Tip. Throw your left leg, Eric. Tip. Alright, that was a good combo. Go for more speed though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boy. Eric, go for your shoot. Punch, 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 shoot if you want to get the takedown. Because he's doing the Thai boxing. Nice. You see? You want to actually shoot though. You drive him back. Keep. More speed, Rich. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Woohoo! Time.